Hey, attention crypto gossipators, things are about to get interesting. Remember, not financial advice.
Hey guys, what is up? Hope everyone's doing well. Hope everyone's having an amazing day because I am as usual. And ladies and gentlemen, welcome back. So, for many of you that are holding a Pepe, watch this video because in this video I need to actually, give you more hype and more understanding as to how big your bags are going to be. I mean, this is going to be a crazy explosion in the altcoin season. If you're holding Pepe, you shouldn't worry, not even a little bit. All you have to be is patient. Now, Pepe right now is third in the meme world. Now, as most of you know, Dogecoin, Shiba Inu, these guys have been around in the last bull run. They were the stars. Everybody spoke about them. Their market caps exploded, went over the roof, and so on, right? And they're going to get a lot of the money. But can they really move that much? I don't think so. They don't have that much room unless, some serious burning would happen. But realistically, the one behind them, the one that is going to be stealing the spotlight and really exploding is Pepe. Pepe is the one with a lot of potential. I have spoken about it, guys. I mean, we are sitting at about a 3.5 billion market cap. Pretty impressive, right? So why can't it do a 20x? I don't see any reason for it not to do a 20x. Okay? Well, we've got 33.5 billion, right? 35 billion if it went 10x, right? Now, if it went, guys, 20x, that would be 70 billion. So think about it. Pepe is going to be a massive, massive star. Now, a lot of you are also like, well, why are you just hyping up Pepe out of nowhere? First of all, we all know that most of the money, when it starts going to the altcoins, is going to go into the top 5 memes, top 10 memes, right? 80% of the money, because the meme sector is growing, it's exploding, but let's be honest, the lower we go down the chart, the less money there will be allocated there, because investors are putting in big chunks of money and they don't want to risk it that much. They want a guaranteed pump. You can get it with Dogecoin, Shiba Inu for sure, but you'll get less of it. With Pepe, you will get the pump for sure, and you'll get more of it. I think more or less at the same risk rate. Okay, so think about it. Pepe comes out not that long ago, pumps like crazy, makes it that third spot. Lots of people are saying that some big boys behind it, the big cartels, exchange, everyone's backing it, massive whales and so on, which is great. At the same time, you want this sort of backing. This could never rug. I don't think so, because there's just too much of it, too much going on in there. So yes, that is very nice for Pepe. Now, a lot of people are thinking, well, why am I even saying Pepe is that high up, right? Why do I include it so high up? So if you went on the socials, we got to look at their Twitter account with a massive following. But apart from that, look at this statement. So Pepe featured as one of the top components in the new market vector meme coin index by VanEck US, right? So in their index, they have already put, let me move myself a little bit here, guys, so you can see it yourselves, right? They've already put Dogecoin, Shiba Inu, and Pepe up there, okay? So what it says is that these serious indexes, these serious types of rankings, okay, are actually already noticing the meme coin market, and on top of it, they're already ranking. So when they make these type of rankings, they have a massive following, lots of investors, lots of influencers. This is going to cause a massive, massive pump, and many are starting to notice Pepe. Pepe is being, at the top of many different indexes for sure. Like, if you look at VanEck, right? Investment solutions, including ETFs, endorsements. Guys, this is big. Market vector, again, index, rankings. So when it's trending, when these type of indexes actually put the information out to the wider market, right? The traditional finance, the conservative finance, those that would never invest into cryptos. And now it's, making rankings, it's talking about it. There's a lot of money on that side. I know we always go into the, the more higher risk side, the investors in cryptos purely, but we also got to get the attention of the other investors, right? Those that now have tried out the Bitcoin ETFs and now slowly starting to have a soft spot for cryptos and meme coins as well, because meme coins, they have not the greatest reputation in terms of stability, but the upside is massive. But when you take, the top 3, top 5, I think they are pretty stable for a big, large chunk of money to be invested and to see it multiply like no tomorrow. So that is definitely one to watch. Now, if I go down a little bit, this has also caught my attention. Recently tweeted purchasing power of US dollar. So, the US dollar is becoming weaker and weaker, right? Less purchasing power. So people are looking, for other types of storage. In my opinion, the memes right now, the top ones, why not? Pepe, knowing that you can put a big chunk of your money, that there's real support behind it, really strong pressure on top of it, and that it's going to explode very soon. I think that's a great storage for money. You could put in, say for example, 100 grand into your account, leave it there, right? Use it as, the storage that you would have your US dollar and just a bank account. You just put it into Pepe. Next day, well, not next day. I mean, obviously that'd be too optimistic, but next thing you know, the altcoin season comes and this thing turns into 1 million, if not 2 million. So that's how crazy it is. I mean, the market looks very open and very ready to receive the money and to offer a lot. I think the memes are starting to offer this idea of more of a stability. Dogecoin, Shiba Inu has been around for a long time, right? Yes, it pumped, then it dipped, but those that were accumulating it throughout, the past 2 years have seen it pump again. Now, you've got Pepe as well. Yeah, it's gone through some, moments and stuff, but this thing can move. That's the crazy thing. It can move, and it's just getting more and more attention. And when you look at these type of, ladies and gentlemen, these type of news here where the whale accumulates, it's constantly showing us that the big money is just pouring in like no tomorrow. They're getting ready for it. They don't want to miss out on this. There's a reason why it pumped so hard. There's a reason why it's going to pump so much more. And the market cap is very nice because there's room for more growth. It's large, but there's room for growth. If SHIB does 40 billion all-time high 4 years ago, if Doge does 80 billion all-time high, why can't, Pepe overtake that market cap of SHIB's last, peak 4 years ago, where there was less interest, less money in crypto, less everything? I think it's all very manageable. Now, as we got all these big indexes talking about Pepe, it's going to attract some big sums of money. You watch the markets, right? It's going to be very interesting. But as of now, guys, if you have any thoughts, leave them down below in the comment section. Let's talk, let's discuss. All that great stuff matters. And as usual, a big thank you to everyone. I appreciate all the support, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace out.